y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Thank you for coming to hang out with me for a few minutes. I greatly appreciate it. As you can see from the description, today we are going to be unboxing the March 2019 Thrift-A-Bag. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite subscriptions. It is always so amazing and I just love it, y'all. I do. I love it. Here's the box. For those of you that are not familiar or have not seen a video on this, it is a purse subscription. And I say purse, but it could be, you know, it could be like a regular purse, a crossbody. It could be wallets or wristlets, clutches. It's a variety of purse or handbag type accessories as well. So, but here's the kicker. They are all designer brands. And you receive 3 items every month, and it could be a combination of 3 different handbags. You could receive, you know, a handbag, a wallet, a clutch. You could receive 2 wallets. You could receive 2 purses and a wallet. It's always a fantastic assortment. And the brands, we are talking Coach, Michael Kors, Vera, Dooney and Burke, you know, not anything but really awesome brands. So, and there have been plenty of times that they are pre-owned items. However, the curator of this box does such an amazing job of making sure that everything looks brand new. I'm talking pristine condition. She is a power seller on eBay, so she knows what she is doing. And you would never know that the pre-owned items are pre-owned, but you do also every now and then receive a brand new item. So I cannot wait to get in here and see what we got for March 2019. So let's just dive in. I love this subscription. Like I said, it is absolutely one of my favorites, and I just can't wait. So this tells us about each item, so I'm not going to peek too much to see, but I do want to let you guys know I will put a link down below to her Cratejoy site so you could sign up if you would like. Plans do start at $45 a month if you pay monthly. However, if you want to prepay, it can substantially reduce the cost of your monthly subscription. And I have a code for you guys. It is SNMOM. That will get you $5 off your first box. So you just really can't beat it. One thing that she always does that I think is super fantastic is she includes a gift bag because you're receiving 3 items. Well, if you don't like all 3 items, but you know someone that may like one of the ones that's not really your taste, you can gift a bag. So I think that that is fantastic around the holidays. That was a really a really fun idea to me, that get something, hey, you just keep one of the items, and like I said, we're talking Coach, Michael Kors, it's well worth the $40, but then you still have 2 gifts. So it's a great way to treat yourself and others. So we are going to just dive in. First item I see here on top, everything always comes wrapped in bubble wrap. So she definitely takes pride in making sure that everything arrives to you very well. So let's see what this bad boy is. And this appears this still has the tags on it. So this is brand new. And it is from Steve Madden. That tag's still on here. It is like this really pretty fuchsia color, and you can tell it has like the lock. It does have a strap here that you can add so that you can use it that way, or you can just carry it this way, whichever you prefer. It's very sparkly and pretty. And inside, It's almost like a velour velvet feel inside. It's black. It does have some pockets outlined in pink, and the zipper here. So that is super, super cute. This is really pretty, and it's such a fun color. But I just can't get over, you guys, like this like shimmer effect that this, it's gorgeous. Like, how fun is that? I really, really think that is so pretty. Let's see what it says. Steve Madden Vanessa Fuchsia Crossbody Bag. So that is super pretty. So I do know one item that is in here because she did email me and ask me if I was okay with it. And I said yes, because let me see. This, I think, is it. I'm going to tell you why. Like I said, some of these items are brand new. This is the case with this item. This is a brand new item. It is my favorite brand. You see on the tissue paper there, the letters? MK, Michael Kors. So it is a brand new Michael Kors wallet. Beautiful, right? Aren't we in love with this? It has the zipper pouch here for change. The reason she emailed me about this item is because right here, it's actually not missing. It is here. Okay, so it's actually not missing. One of the snap closures came off. Y'all, this is like such a super easy fix. And this is a brand new Michael Kors wallet. I was like, yes, absolutely. I'm perfectly fine with that. And I just realized that the snap is actually here. It's not missing. So, I mean, I could easily take a little spot of, you know, hot glue or something and put that there, and you would never know. It is super cute. I'm actually going to put it right here so I don't lose it. I love this right here. It has this little section to hold some cards, but you can actually take it out. How cute is that? So, and then you can slip it right back in here. Some more card slots and an area, again, you could put some cash or whatever you need to there. But yes, I loved this. You guys, this brand new, which is the case here, is $118. So I have no problem fixing one little snap to get this brand new wallet in addition to 2 other items. So are you kidding me? This is amazing. This just goes again to show you guys this subscription is absolutely amazing. I have yet to be disappointed. Michael Kors is my favorite. This is not the first Michael Kors item I have received. It's not the first brand new item I have received either. I have received brand new Coach purses. I have received a brand new beautiful little Dooney and Burke wristlet that is just absolutely gorgeous. You know, so I have received so many amazing brands, new and used. And even the used items, you can't tell that they're used. So here we have 2 of our 3 items. They're both brand new items. Y'all, this is amazing. So that is called the Michael Kors Signature 2-in-1 Card Case Carry-All Wallet. So I love it. It's beautiful. I will enjoy that wallet so much. So we do have one more item. So let's take a look and see what this is. You can definitely tell it appears to be some type of black purse. This is Coach, y'all. This is Coach. Oh, this is like a, this is so unique. Y'all see this handle here? The strap and like the detail stuff. Oh, this is like so cute. This is like a, like even the, would this be like boho? I think this would be boho. I think this is like super cute and different. You can see the condition is amazing. You would never know that this was, this is pre-owned. You would never know that this was pre-owned. So let's see. Let's open this up. Okay. I felt something. She put that in there to make sure it arrived safely. So here you can see it has the number. It is an authentic Coach purse. And everything inside, it's hard to see because it's black inside, but it is immaculate. You have a little zipper, and it doesn't look like there's pockets, but you do have a little zipper area. And it just, y'all, it looks immaculate in there. And the outside is immaculate. I can't get over how cute and different this handle strap here is. This is like a fun purse. This is really, really fun and different. So I really do like this Coach bag. I think it is super, super cute. A Coach limited edition studded and stitched hobo shoulder bag. Okay, hobo. I was like boho, hobo. But yeah, so, and I was wondering because I hadn't really seen, so explaining that it's a limited edition, that makes sense. Y'all, this bag is so cute. So I am in love with this. Yet again, March 2019 blew my mind with Thrift-A-Bag, as it does every month. Everything is super amazing. The quality, you guys, I just can't stress enough the quality of these items every month. And so this month we got two purses. One is the hobo shoulder bag. We got a crossbody, the beautiful sparkly fuchsia Steve Madden bag, and this amazing brand new Michael Kors wallet. So I just can't say enough amazing things about this subscription. Like I said, I will leave a link down below for you guys if you would like to sign up. Like I said, it's through Cratejoy. She's amazing. She definitely takes pride in her work, and it shows every month with all of the different items. And I also, like I said, I do have that code SNMOM. It does get you $5 off. I don't get anything from you using the code. It's just for you guys if you would like to sign up. So, you know, take advantage of that, and definitely, you know, get you some great items, some great purses, wallets, clutches. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm just in awe again. I get this way every month, and I'm just like, I don't know, Mom, I'm at a loss for words. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down below what you guys thought of the items for our March box. It does change. Obviously, not everyone receives the same items. So if you were to sign up, you would not receive these items. You can select the type of items you have your preference for, but it could still be a variety. So again, let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.